Hello YouTube. This video will show you how to add memory to your computer. It's actually really easy to do. Just about anybody can do it if you follow this video very carefully. Two things that you're going to need are a memory module that you can find at an electronic retail store or online, and you may also need a flathead screwdriver. Please make sure your computer is completely unplugged. So the first step is to remove the screws. You can loosen it up with a flathead screwdriver and unscrew it with your fingers. Second step is to remove the panel. Before you touch the inside of a computer, you must ground yourself. That is to remove static electricity. You do this by touching a bare piece of metal with your hand, or you can actually use a anti-static wrist strap. The third step is to locate the memory module slots on your motherboard. Once you locate it, you want to unfasten the clips on both ends of the memory slot by pressing down on the white clips until the memory chip releases. Step 5. Make sure you align the gap on the memory stick correctly on the slot. Otherwise it won't fit. Press down on both ends until the clips are secure. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Step 6. Secure the panel cover in place and screw it back on. So that's pretty much it. All it takes is 6 easy steps to upgrade your RAM or add more RAM to your computer. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. Thank you guys for watching, and feel free to subscribe.